This is a JobCost.com video tutorial on how to close a week of payroll. In the main cabinet, go to Payroll, click on Check Register Report. Start by running the Check Register Report for the pay period you are about to post-close. This will now show all check numbers for paper checks and direct deposit. This will also show the tax deposits due at the end of the report for this pay period. Please print or save this report for your records. Next, in the main cabinet, go to Payroll, click on Pay Period Post-Close. Select the pay period from the dropdown that you are ready to post and close. Click Post-Close. It creates a Payroll Pay Period Journal Entries report showing the GL journal entries made for this pay period. Please print or save this report for your records. After closing the report, it will tell you the number of GL journal entries and AP invoices that have been inserted. Click OK when done, and that pay period is now closed and can no longer be changed or modified.